Hey you guys, it's me Keisha Bee. I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you how to make really easy teriyaki sauce. This recipe calls for just a few ingredients and a couple of steps. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is some water. You're also going to need some soy sauce. I prefer light soy sauce because of the reduced sodium, ginger powder, cornstarch, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and some sugar. So to your saucepan, you'll just go ahead and add your sugar, 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar. You'll also add 1/2 cup of cold water, 1/2 cup of light soy sauce or regular soy sauce, whatever you prefer, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And I didn't have this black pepper listed in the ingredients before, but you'll just do a couple of turns of fresh cracked black pepper, or like 1/8 of a teaspoon. So you want to go ahead and whisk your sauce around. You want to do this off the stove top because the heat will cause the cornstarch and the ginger powder to clump. So you want to whisk this around really good. Make sure all the ingredients are dissolved along with the water and the soy sauce. And I add my garlic cloves last. I don't usually whisk that in because it gets caught in like the whisk spokes. Is that what that is? I don't know. I just do a quick rough chop. You can add the garlic cloves in there whole, or you can cut them in half. It really doesn't matter. And I'm going to put that on the stove over medium-high heat and allow that to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, the sauce should be a thick consistency, depending on what consistency you like, but it should start off thick. Now, if you want it to be a little thinner, you can add water, but if you want it to be more thick, you can add cornstarch. When you take your sauce off of the heat and allow it to cool, it should thicken up a little bit more as well. So now I'm just going to take my cooled sauce. Well, it's not really cold. It's still pretty hot. But anyway, I'm going to send it through the strainer just to make sure all the little grits and grains are caught and they don't end up in my sauce, because I like my teriyaki sauce to be very, very smooth and velvety like. Now, if you want to, you can take that remaining garlic and you can actually make a paste and add it to your teriyaki sauce if you prefer it to have like a garlicky flavor, but that's not really what I like. So I just toss the garlic to the side, and there you have it. Very simple, very smooth, velvety teriyaki sauce. Really, really tasty too. So I'm just gonna add it to my applicator bottle because I use teriyaki sauce quite a bit. And you can store it on your countertop or in the refrigerator. So I hope this video was very helpful. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.